to my channel. I'm Kayleigh, in case you didn't know that, and we have a visitor.
Oh.
This is Amber. She is my sister, and she left a comment, this comment that's floating in the sky right now, and she basically just asked if she could do my makeup. So that is what we are doing today. I've given her full reign. This is my makeup kit. That is very heavy. You can use it, do whatever. However, obviously, because of like keeping things hygienic, because I am going to be using this on customers, if there's something that she's doing that is unhygienic, I'm going to stop her. But other than that, I'm not saying anything. So, over to you. Firstly, let me just show you that. So you have those two trays, and you have everything that's down below there. And then you also have my personal makeup, which is around the corner there. And then this is your brush kit. Go for it. Also, another thing is I cannot see the camera. Like I don't see what I look like. So it's going to be interesting to see what I look like at the end of the video. I can just tell that my room's going to be a mess. You're sniffing it!
No. Right. So I thought, isn't it?
You said you were going to be watching YouTube tutorials. You
did.
did?
I don't have anything.
Hey?
You don't have anything.
I don't have anything? What do you mean I don't have anything?
So it's the James Charles one.
I don't know what you're looking for. You're very vicious. You watched a James Charles video?
Well, I didn't watch it.
You didn't watch it? Then what did you watch?
I watched other videos.
Whose videos did you watch?
I didn't watch any. So I watched the James Charles one. I watched other videos. I didn't watch any.
Fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Then are you lying? What did you do?
I started watching. Something dropped.
Oh, my brushes.
Okay, please pick that one up.
Oh, my bed.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Close your eyes. Got this one. What's this?
Why do you always sniff them?
I don't know. Okay. Do the fish face. Do the fish face. Okay, you can stop.
I'm very interested to see whose YouTube tutorials you are watching.
Okay, look there.
I mean, I've never seen this kind of technique before, so if it works, then... Did you just put... Are you giving
I'm
me...
sure you put it there. And here. Wait, okay.
Are you trolling me?
No, I'm pretty sure you do. Where else? Yeah. Don't you? It's a little bit younger line.
Yeah! Emma, you got it right! That's a highlighter brush you got there.
I thought this was blush.
No.
Okay.
Do you know how to read?
It says cosmetics. That's not fair. Okay. That's a mistake.
Did you just sniff it?
Okay. Close your eyes. Wait. Did you just wipe it off?
I mean, you've definitely got a technique. Don't know what kind of technique it is. It's a technique.
What?
A bit much.
Where's your full and eyebrow pencil? What's this?
Eyeliner.
What's that again? Oh, that.
I'm gonna close my eye.
Open.
This is where it always goes bad.
No, close them. Close them. Close them. Close them. I'm gonna put it up in this. Stop.
Stop. Don't. Okay, I'm done.
No. Stop.
Okay, we're done.
It's your fault. Okay, ready?
What? It's my fault. You're the one that
Okay, stop.
The concentration.
Open. Close.
I mean, you're definitely doing better than Luke. He drew an eyeball on my eye.
Maybe I did also.
You didn't.
Close. I don't think this is for eyebrows.
It is for eyebrows.
It's chunky.
Yeah, no, because you don't know how to use it properly.
Okay. Okay, the eyebrows are a bit funky. Okay, wait.
Okay, I have a proposition for you.
What?
Since you get to do my makeup,
No.
I get to do your makeup.
No.
Yes.
When?
I don't know, in the next few weeks.
Okay. Right.
I'm putting baby powder on my lips.
Yeah, looks better.
I mean, that's actually clever if you want matte lipstick.
Go. That thing. Great. Okay.
You're done. Not for you to look in.
Let's go.
I'm just showing them. Okay, let's have a look.
What? It's not that bad. It's just your eyebrows.
You gave me a unibrow!
Oh.
Oh, this highlighter though.
What?
Why did you put highlighter on top of your contour?
I don't know.
Like, what the heck
I
is
meant
going
to
on
go
there? You didn't do so bad with my eyeshadow. Eyeshadow actually looks cool. And my eyeliner, you did better than most people. So I'm very proud of you. Check the link in the description to find Amber. I don't know if you want to see her. I mean, she's terrible makeup. I'm joking. I'm lucky not though. But anyway, I'll see you guys next week. Amber won't. I will though. With an all new video. Bye guys.